welcome to my vlog. Today is another part of day 3, and this one is us leaving the port of Costa, and the cruise terminal was where there was it faced the open ocean, so the ships were really the waves were really coming in and making the ship move up and down, and plastic bumpers on the dock. You could hear the ships going up and down, so they were making a screeching noise, and it was just crazy looking at how far the boats would rock up and down or side to side. It was pretty crazy, so you'll see that, and this video also entails us leaving that port, so I hope you guys enjoy this video.
When there's no more light that you can see, I'll take us back to times when lives were similar and times that all seemed easier. Don't be afraid, I'll be the one to guide you through this endless maze. Don't look so sad, you're crying, eyes won't dry. You've gotta drive with both headlights so we can see the world and we'll run away together like you. like you, like you. Come close to me. I'll whisper in your ear the things that we could be. I'll drown us in the purple drapes that you were clothed in. We can live like royalty. I'll sing to you like a radio that's held beneath your window. Don't look so sad, you're crying, eyes won't dry. You've gotta drive with both headlights so we can see the world and we'll run away together like.
I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this video of the crazy waves that we had while we were in port. At one point, we got told nobody could leave the ship because it was just too dangerous to go back onto the dock because the walking ramps were moving way too much and people could have fallen. So they had to close. They let people on, but they wouldn't let people off. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing us leaving that port. So please share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit the bell icon down below so you can be notified when I upload videos. Please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. And if you ain't dreaming, you ain't living. Don't forget to dream big.